everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Rainbow Six Siege. And if you haven't heard of this game, it's a pretty good game on Steam. And we're just going to get right into it. We're going to be playing multiplayer. I have played a little bit, but we're just going to be playing like a couple simulations. Okay, so right now what's happening, it's just going to tell me what's going on. So what I have to do is kill all the enemies inside. As you can see on the screen, that's not me, but it's just showing me what to do. Okay, so first, this normal gun. Oh, shoot. I tried to get that headshot on him. Oh, hey, I still did. Okay, so I've played this a couple times, right? So I'm just going up here because I know where all the enemies are. They're in here. One time I tried to do this with a knife. If you want to see that, then. But be back there. And there's an enemy right there. Then there's this one that I really want to knife! Oh, yeah, I got him. Okay, so, and right now, I'm just gonna... Wait, is there an enemy behind me? No. Okay, so this is a breach charge. It cannot go through reinforcements and stuff, but it can go through this. So we're just gonna blow that up. Laggy, my computer can't handle all this recording and stuff at one time. So, yeah, sorry about the lag. Okay, and then there's a guy right here, and then all the enemies will come up these stairs. So, also, this is kind of a tutorial how to play. Well, how to beat the first level of Rainbow Six Siege. Boom! Hey, we're done. Today, I think I'm gonna do one more. I'm just gonna check real quick which one it is. Okay, so, subscribe if you want more content of Rainbow. Like this video if you want more Rainbow content. And we're just gonna, I guess, play this one. This is it's a house one. Oh, it's extract the hostage. Oh, this one's really hard, kid. So if I don't finish it in this video, and if you want to see more, then please, like the video. If we can hit, 3 likes, then we will play another episode. So this is not me, this is just showing me what to do. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this. We don't need to see that. Okay, so, and if you want to see me do only knife challenge on the first level, then definitely smash that like button, and I might. Oh, I totally forgot where all these enemies were. Oh, okay. So there's one, not up here, but there's one in here. There's one on somewhere around here. Oh yeah, he's crouched right there. Shoot! Oh, he hit me. No, he didn't. What screen if he didn't hit me? Oh yeah, he did hit me. 91 health, guys. Oh, I can't hit him. I guess we'll just go through the front door. Oh yeah, and there's another guy right there. I totally forgot about him. Okay, guys, you ready? Oh, got him. Through the thing. Okay, now there's one guy up here somewhere. I can't hit him for some reason. Okay, we're gonna go in, smash this door down. Jeez, that was a little lag there. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's this guy. Shoot, 77 health, guys. Oh, there he is. Oh, did I kill him? Yes. Okay, I'm moving in. Gotta go fast, guys. Okay. Break, break, break. Got him. Okay, guys. Now I need a good escape plan. Okay, so we're just gonna leave the hostage there. We're just gonna clear out all these rooms. Okay, what if I go... Oh my god, all these things are blocked off. Okay, I guess we'll just go straight out the front door. Okay, guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1, grab the hostage, and the enemies are gonna start showing up. So we gotta hurry, gotta go quick. Oh no. Shoot, there's so many! Damn! Oh no! Ah! Oh no! There's another guy! Right there! Right in front of us! Damn it! Hey! I'm at 2 health, guys. Oh my god. Woo! 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 Okay, ready? We're gonna jump this. Don't die! Oh! We're good. Extraction zone. Shoot, there's a guy above me, I think. Guy behind me? I think we're just gonna have to rush him. I might die here. Okay. Okay, guys. That's gonna be it for this episode. If you want to see more, smash that like button. And if you, want to see more content on different games, hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you have any game suggestions. See ya!